Okay, last round. We have y equals 2. Remember the form is y equals mx plus b. So we can rewrite that so that we have y equals 0x plus 2. So our slope, sorry, that's my daughter clomping around, is 0. And the b is 2. So we're looking for something with a slope of 0 and a y-intercept of positive 2. Well, y-intercept, this is your y-axis, all of those, so we're looking for where it crosses this line at 2. It works there and there, doesn't work here, doesn't work here. So we have either A or C. Now, here it says slope of 2. Well, we said we wanted a slope of 0. So that doesn't work, and that leaves us C. It has a slope of 0 and a y-intercept of 2. Number 18, find the solution. Easiest way to find the solution is to basically plug in okay, so for number 18 we're going to take and plug in 5 for x. So we have y is equal to 6 times 5 plus 1. Order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 6 times 5 is 30. Then we have plus 1. So y is equal to 31. So we look for y is equal to 31, and x we already said was equal to 5. Remember, your ordered pairs are in the alphabetical order, so x and y. So we're looking for 5, then 31. That would be A. So our answer is A for that one. Which ordered pair works here? We have to plug them in, so we don't know. If I'm looking at this, I'd probably look and I'd notice that this was a negative 23. So I'd probably want to start with, well, they're all negative, so that doesn't help me. Okay, well, start with A. So I have 5 times negative 4. That sounds promising. So that's going to give me a negative 20. And then plus negative 3. And we want to know, is that equal to negative 23? So we get negative 20 plus negative 3 and if you two negatives gives us negative 23, and that is equal to negative 23. So our answer is A. Now if you try some of the other answers, goodbye, there's got to be an easier way to erase. So if I tried B, and so that would be 5 times negative 3 plus negative 4, and we're going to check, is that equal to negative 23? 5 times 3 is negative 15 plus negative 4. Two negatives add up to another negative, so that gives me negative 19, and that's not equal to negative 23. And you'll find that with C and D also. If you plug those in, that wouldn't work as well. Number 20. We're graphing, so we're just finding the point. So remember, we have x and y coordinates. First number tells us to go left or right. Second number tells us to go up or down. So I'm going 3 to the right and up 1 1/5. So that one looks correct. This one I'm going 1 to the right and then up 3. This one I'm going over 3, up less than 1. Here I'm going over a little more than 1 and then up 3. So first number left or right. Second number up or down. 21, 22, and 23. In which quadrant does the point lie? Write the coordinates. So C. Well, probably the easiest thing to do here is let's start by numbering or ordering our quadrants. So I've got 1. I don't like that color. Let's do red. So I got 1, 2, 3, fourth quadrant. So C is in the fourth quadrant, so that eliminates those two. And then remember, first number tells me I'm going right 2, down 2. So first number is positive, so it looks like we're getting B there. For 22, I'm going A, so I'm going 1. I'm going to go right 4, up 6. And that's quadrant 1, so we can eliminate C and D. And since we went right 4 first, that's B again. Number 23. Here's B in this quadrant. That's the third quadrant, so we can eliminate A and D. And we went 2 to the left, down 4. That should be B here. Okay, number 24. I hope that's 24. Put up 24 there. Solve for y, then graph the equation. So this is going to be one of our tough ones. We have 5x minus 4y equals 12. You want to get y by itself. So this is what we're trying to get by itself. You need to get rid of everything else that's on the left side. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, keeping our equation balanced. Put the line underneath. Remember, you cannot combine the 12 and the 5x. They're not like terms. These zero out. That leaves a negative 4y equals negative 5x, running out of room, plus 12. Squeeze it in there. They're multiplying the y by negative 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative 4. That gives us our big fat 1. So that leaves me 1y. And I got negative 5x divided by negative 4 plus 12 divided by negative 4. A negative by a negative is a positive. So I've got 5/4 x, and 12 divided by negative 4 would be a negative 3, and I'm not going to put a plus, but I could. So my slope is equal to 5/4. My intercept, my b, is negative 3. So I'm going to find, I always like to start with my y-intercept because that helps me eliminate some stuff. So here I've got a y-intercept of negative 3. Here I have a y-intercept of positive 3, so we can eliminate it. That looks like a y-intercept of about negative 1/2, so I can eliminate it. And oh yay, this also has a slope, or y-intercept. So I got A as my answer. Didn't have to know anything other than the y-intercept. That helps out a lot. just being able to eliminate. And they'll usually have a couple that you can eliminate right away. Last one. Again, we're solving, we need to get y by itself. So we have 2x plus y equal to 3. We want to get y by itself. I don't like orange, I'm going to go back to red. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. This will give me, this zeroes out and leaves y equals negative 2x plus 3. Y is now all by itself, so that's nice. Oh, somebody just died. Slope equals negative 2. Oh, goodness. Was that you screaming?
Yeah, it was
okay.
me. Because Gabby scared me.
Well, you just screamed like a little girl on my video, so.
Sorry.
That's okay. So we're looking, hey, enough. So we're looking for a y-intercept of 3. That's negative 3, so that doesn't work. That's positive 3, so that works. Another positive 3, so that's a possibility. Negative 3, so that doesn't work. Now we need a negative slope. Got a slope, a negative slope. So remember, slope is rise over run. So negative 2. We can put that as negative 2 over 1. So I start with b. I can go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. This one, if I go down 2 over 1, I'll go that way. So C doesn't work. Correct answer is B. And that wraps it up. If you have any questions, post them on Edmodo, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you very much.